To my channel, Computer Made Easy. So guys, this is continuation on programming. Remember the last time on my last video I showed you guys Visual Studio Code as one of the best software to use in programming, and I'm back with another one, which is Microsoft Visual Studio 210 Ultimate. Believe me guys, this is also a very good one for programming, because in here we have the C++, the C Sharp, and all of that. So I will be taking you guys on VBasics, because that's the first thing you need to learn. So when you have this Microsoft Visual Studio installed on your system, as you can see on the screen, look at the name here, Microsoft Visual Studio. So guys, you click on a new project. You can see this. You click on new project, and then it pops up. So the is VB I'm taking you guys right now, because that's the foundation of everything. You need to know Visual Basics first. Okay, if you don't know Visual Basics, it's going to be really hectic. So this is it. The first thing here, we have the Windows Forms application. I've told you examples of Windows Forms applications, such as your calculators, even browsers. These are Windows Form application VB. Hope you can see this, guys. Hope the screen is clear, guys. Okay, please, if you have any questions, let me know about it, and please stay subscribed to the channel. So the first thing here, we have the Windows applications. You see, we see the C Sharp I was talking about, the C++, but first of all start with this VB, Visual Basics. So guys, let's click on Windows Form application. Let me start with that one, so we could grab and know what it is all about. Well, I will tell you the features, yes, because there's important features in it. You can't just start coding without knowing some of these features and the tools involved in this Visual Studio. Like, you want to create Windows application, you need to know the tools you are working on. It's very important, guys. I have to introduce you on the tools, yes, for you to get familiar with some important tools, because there's no how you do your coding without knowing your tools and all of that. So when you are doing a Windows Form application with the use of this, take note, Microsoft Visual Studio VB, Windows Form application, very important. Now, take note of these 3 steps, please. First of all, this is a form. You see your form from 1, the form is out. You first will do what to the form? You first design your form. Yes, you design your form according to how you want your software to be. The second step is for you to assign controls. The controls here are just the tools which I'm going to show you guys right away. And then the third thing is you assign properties before you start coding, before you write code for the programs to run. So let's say this is, you want to make a calculator. You want to do calculator. Let's use calculator for example, a very simple calculator. This form, we have to change the name to calculator. Yes, I hope you know what's this, the minimization, the restore, maximize, restore, and the close button, because the window, your Windows Form application you are creating. So for you to change this form now to the name of the application you are creating, you go to this property here. Look at this. Take note, guys. Take note. Where you see text, you see form 1. Please change the name to what you are creating, to the software you are creating. In this case, we are doing a calculator. Calculator, guys. You see that? Good. Then you come back to your form. Observe that the name have changed from form to what? Calculator. Yes, we are designing the form now. So for you to design the form, what and what do you need in a calculator? This is now where your tool is very important. Can you see this toolbox? This is where I got the toolbox. Look at the toolbox, this one here. The list of box we have will pop up. It will come out. Let me drag it out for you guys to see. We have several tools, but I will tell you the important ones and the common ones you will be needing. Okay, so first of all, we have the button. It's very important. It raises an event when the user click on it. this button, it will always raise an event. Like, it's just like a command button. When you click it, you are expecting a response. Yes, that's just it. And then the checkbox and the checklist, they're almost the same thing. Gives you option, and also the combo box, but we are not using that now. This is the date and time. In some of the Windows application you need to create, you need to know this form and time is very important. Then the label, you can't do without label. Label now will describe, it's just like that is where you put your inscription, what you want the user to do. You need the label box. Yes, very important. That icon there, that toolbox there is very, very important. Then we have the text box. The text box here, this is where the user will input his details. We are asking the user to input his details with this text box here. Very, very important. Please take note of this box. So I said we are creating a simple calculator, right? Thank you.
Our own. So now, having known some of the box, now we need first thing, we have named it calculator. Then we need now the text box, which is where your answers will be displayed on. So you click on what your text box, you come and click on your text box. Guys, this is somehow, but you need to know it. It's very, very important you know this the toolbox and their importance. Yeah, it's very important for you to know them, and where you need to apply them is very, very important. So you carry the toolbox, you come and drag it on your form. You drag it here. We are designing a form, remember? So the first thing here is what you drag it like this. Follow me, guys. The way I did it should be the same way you do your own, please. Yeah, this is text box. These are text box here. So this is where the user, when you finish your calculation, this is where the answer will be displayed. So for that now, where your answer will be displayed, we need what? We need a text box. You come and drag it here. Then for all these things you are seeing here, this council and the likes of them, they all use what they use there. The toolbox they use for all of this is called the button box. Remember I told you about the button box? Is very, very important. This one, it raises an event. It's the button. Okay, so I think we'll just design our form today, and on the next video we'll try to run the code. It's actually a long process, but we have to take it gradually. So please follow and watch everything I do. So we have this, we have another one. You drag it, just make sure you drag it well. It's the button. Don't worry, you see how it works. Just follow me carefully, okay? We are now designing what? Our form. Remember this calculator we have here as our guide. You're always watching at it, right? So that's our guide. Then this is what we'll do here now. We'll carry it. Let me carry more button because we need 1 2 3 up to 9. Yes, we need 1 2 3 up to 9. So we're carrying the button. The names will not be button anymore. We are going to change the name from the property. That's where we'll put our figures. That's the manipulation. Hope you understand. Programming is simple. Yeah, no, very soon now you see our calculator is up and you'll be like, wow, so this is how they do it. Wow, you can always be a programmer if you can pay the price anyway. It's all about determination, hard work, and focus. I think programming, you'll not sleep much, oh, honestly. We'll be sleeping when programming is there, in life. You just have to be up and doing, and practice. So we've done some buttons. Let's just go and change them. So we have button 1 here now. So for you to get this console, see which I mean, so we'll come to the properties. Remember where we changed the name of our form from? the same thing here. This text, remember, now you are assigning attributes to the control. Remember, this is on what form? Button 1. You change it from here, from the property which you have, button 1. You now put let's say cancel the CE. You put the CE, it will automatically change from here. Can you see that, guys? Then we'll come here. What do we have next? We have C, right? Button 2, you change it to C. Just C, which is cancel. Yeah. Then here we have the backspace there. That's your backspace. That's your backspace. All right. Let's do this way. You have your backspace over there. So guys, if you have any questions, please try to ask. Yeah, it's not a crime to ask questions, so anything you don't understand, please endeavor to ask. Yeah, so for that arrow there, right backspace. I want to put it in capital and put it in capital later. Backspace. Let me make it longer. Yeah, that's actually what it means here. So we need 1 2 3, right? So we'll put this one as 1, and then we'll just do 1 2 3 here. So put our 2, and then here will be our 3. Here will be our 3. Okay, this is fun actually. At your leisure time, you do it. Yeah, you design it. So you can see the calculator is coming up. So just know your controls. If you know your controls, it will be more easier for you to understand it. Those toolbox, they are very important, guys. Very important. Don't forget. Hope you see our calculator is coming up. We are still on what? Assigning controls. We are assigning controls. Yeah. Remember, now we are giving it the label. We are changing the names now. We are changing it. We've done 5, so this is 6, right? 6. So I think we need more button. We're gonna carry button more. We'll carry more button. Yeah, so this one is going to be okay. Let's go down here. Yeah, these are 7. You can always increase your form if you want to. In case you don't have space, you think there's no space, you can always drag it and it will expand. Guys. 7. And this is and your calculator, you can name it. You can put your name on it, or you just put maybe let's say your name is Jennifer. You just put Jennifer calculator or something like that. Something fancy. Oh yes. So guys, hope you are enjoying it. Yeah, you're watching. I'm taking it slowly because I want you guys to understand. Like if I start rushing it, you will hate anything called programming because it's going to be so confusing. But it's better if you just watch to the end. That's when you understand it. Now forwarding or making it fast and all of. See, I've dragged my phone because I need more space. Yeah, you can always expand it if you want to. So this one is our 0. Our 0. Yeah, I've put 9 now, so I'll come and change it here from the text. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing, guys. Hope it's clear, guys. Please let me know what your thoughts are. So I need I need okay, a decimal, which is full stop. You can call it full stop as well. Ah, oh god, this is fun, you know. Programming. It's not hard though. It's not hard. If you calm down, you understand it. That's our full stop there. And then equals to, remember the buttons we have been using, the toolbox we have been using? I've been using button. I've been using button because it raises an event. When you click that number now, you see it appear here after we've done our code, you know. Now we are just kind of designing the form, you know. Now, like if you're an engineer, you want to build a house, something like that, and then you do your sketching and all of that. This is the skeleton of the work. Should I put it that way? So you put what are we doing next? Okay, we need equals to, right? Yes, I think we need equals to. Yeah, equals to. Then your division. Yeah, division. Let's put our division somewhere here, guys. Let's put it here. Yup. uh That's our divide. That's our divide. That is our division. No, it's not plus, so it's division I'm supposed to put there. Let me just use this one. This is also division sign. So, and then this. If you guys want me to be faster than this, you can also tell me, oh, this to make the work to be very speedy. But what's the essence of you being fast when your viewers don't understand anything? So it's better off like this, if you ask me. If you ask me, actually. So we need our multiplication, and then we need minus now. Minus, yeah, very important. Is it minus or subtraction? Mathematicians in the house, please help us with that too. Is it minus also? Or subtraction? It has been long I left school. You won't blame me. And then plus is also addition, right? So this is how I get it. Oh my god, this calculator is beginning to come out. Like, I'm beginning to love it because everything is becoming real, so real. So this is going to be our plus. Yes. Okay, I put minus there. Plus. It's supposed to be plus. Okay. After plus, what else do we have? Okay, I think that's all. That's all, guys. So, guys, can you see that our calculator is coming to life? Like, do you see it? Do you see it? Do you remember everything I taught? Like, what I've been saying? All of these. What's the name? What did I use for this? How did I change it? So, guys, please, on my next video, we'll assign codes to all of these controls for it to be able to run. Remember, we are doing something like this. Simple calculator. If you can come this far, I want you to practice. Can you reach this stage? Can you do this? If you can do it, then we are good to go. We'll now go to how to assign code. If you want to assign code to it, it's very simple. I'll show you in next class. Please, I want you to understand this one first. I don't want to bug you with so many lessons and you're not grabbing it. Please stay subscribed, share this video. I promise you, you will learn programming and everything about programming. Stay subscribed. See you all on my next one, and bye for now.